Have you ever heard the phrase earning money while you sleep? It may seem like a far-fetched concept, but with the rise of technology and the internet, making money in your sleep is becoming a reality for many people. One way to achieve this is through creating a successful blog. With the ability to reach a global audience, blogging has become a lucrative source of income for many individuals. But what makes a blog successful? This is a question we will explore in this video. From finding your niche to marketing your blog, we will delve into the world of blogging and uncover the secrets to earning money while you catch some Z's. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of profitable blogging. Here are some steps to help you create a successful blog that can earn money while you sleep. Identify your niche. Creating a successful blog can be an incredibly fulfilling and rewarding experience. With the right knowledge and dedication, it can also be a great way to generate income. Before starting a video, it is important to identify your niche. Do research and determine what topics you are passionate about and determine what your blog's purpose will be. Once you have the subject that you are passionate about, determine who your target audience will be by researching what interests, questions, and topics they are looking for. Once you know what your blogging focus is, you will be better equipped to create blog content that resonates with readers. By creating great content, you'll build an audience that trusts your opinions and recommendations. This will help you monetize your blog by joining affiliate programs, selling online courses, and providing online services. With this approach, you can turn your blog into a profitable and successful venture. Define your target audience. My target audience is aspiring entrepreneurs who want to learn more about creating a successful blog in order to generate income. This audience includes people who have minimal experience in creating blogs, as well as those with more advanced understanding of the process. My advice will emphasize practical strategies on how to create a profitable blog. Readers will learn how to select topics to write about, create content, and market their blog in order to attract readers and potential advertisers. Furthermore, I will provide readers with best practices for driving traffic, evaluating blog performance, and creating successful partnerships with organizations. My content is aimed at helping people create an online presence that will generate monetization opportunities. Choose a blogging platform. Starting a blog has now become easier than ever, making it a great way to earn a living. With countless options on blogging platforms, it is important to do your research before you get started. Earning money from blogging can be done in many ways, such as displaying ads, creating digital products, affiliate marketing, and providing services. All these methods will require you to create high-quality content that other people want to see. To make your blog successful, it is essential to build an audience, consistently write content, and promote your blog. It is also important to develop relationships with other bloggers in the same industry, as it will help drive more readers to your blog. With enough effort and dedication, earning money from blogging is definitely possible. Create a compelling design. If you want to earn money by creating a successful blog, then you need to create a compelling design. A great blogging design doesn't just add to the overall look of the blog, but it also serves as the first impression for potential visitors. You need to make sure that your blog design draws visitors in and keeps them interested in what you have to say. Things such as fantastically designed graphics, a color scheme that matches your brand, and an easy-to-navigate layout should all be a part of your blog's design. Additionally, make sure to use plenty of keywords and SEO-friendly content to ensure that you pop up in searches. When done correctly, a blog design full of style and function can be a powerful tool for getting readers and monetizing your blog. Plan your content strategy. Creating a successful blog that earns money begins with having a strong content strategy. Having a well-planned and organized content strategy ensures bloggers create content that resonates with the audience, while continually engaging and entertaining them. This content should include a mix of informative, entertaining, and engaging content such as blog posts, videos, images, or podcasts. Additionally, bloggers should also provide users with an easy way to take action, such as providing links to related products and services. Lastly, content should also be shared widely throughout social media channels to reach a wider audience and boost the likelihood of earning money. With these elements in place, bloggers are well on their way to creating a successful blog that earns money. Create high-quality content. Content is the key to success for blogging. It helps generate traffic and attract potential customers. Therefore, it is critical to focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with readers. This involves writing regularly, providing unique insights, and offering valuable advice. Researching topics and staying up to date on relevant trends in the industry can also help keep content interesting and relevant. Additionally, optimizing content with keywords, using visuals, and sharing on social media are important to gain visibility. Doing all of this will make it easier to monetize the blog and make money. Achieving success with blogging requires a dedication to creating content that stands out above the rest. Utilize SEO techniques. Creating a successful blog is a great way to earn money online. To do this effectively, an influencer must utilize SEO techniques for greater reach. Create quality content that engages readers, and develop connections with other successful bloggers. Through consistent blogging, influencers can generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and other monetization strategies. Additionally, influencers should aim to establish an email list for new subscribers, promote their blog on social media, and engage with readers in comments. A successful blog requires dedication, creativity, and networking, while creating a rewarding platform to grow and monetize. Engage your audience. Creating a successful blog can be a great way to earn money. It takes dedication, hard work, and creativity to reach success. Start by developing an intriguing concept and a unique voice. Utilize your content to engage and educate your audience. Have a blogging strategy, decide the frequency of your posts, and create quality content for readers that come back for more. Work on building relationships with your audience. Be open to feedback and be creative with the monetization of your blog. You can use affiliate marketing, online products and services, sponsored posts, and more to create a steady stream of income. Most importantly, stay consistent, as it will be pivotal for the success of your blog. Monetize your blog. Starting a blog and monetizing it can be an excellent way to make an extra source of income. To get started, first select audience-focused, profitable topics that you feel passionate about, and then create engaging content based on these topics. Next, set up an appropriate hosting plan for your blog and register a domain name. After that, identify the best tactics to get traffic to your blog, such as SEO, keyword research, content marketing, and social media promotion. Finally, monetize your blog and start earning money by placing pay-per-click ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links within your content. Doing these steps can help get you closer to seeing a return on your time and energy invested in your blog. Promote your blog. Creating a successful blog can help you to earn money while you sleep. Starting a blog involves finding your niche, researching keywords, generating content, networking with other bloggers, and monetizing your blog. Once established, your blog can bring in passive income while you take a break. From creating an online store to hosting advertisements and utilizing affiliate programs, there are many creative ways to earn money from your blog. With a little effort, you can create a successful blog and start earning money while you sleep. In the world of digital entrepreneurship, creating a successful blog can be your ticket to earning money while you sleep. With dedication and valuable content, your blog becomes a 24/7 income generator. So embark on this exciting journey, share your passion, and let your dreams flourish through the power of blogging. Sweet dreams and happy blogging. Thanks for watching, and make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos.